Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am very excited to unbox homechef because it's been like 2 years or something since I unboxed one. And some things have changed, but a lot hasn't, which they didn't need to change because it worked before. Anyways, hopping on their website, which is so cute. I keep watching the little food videos scroll by, wishing that I looked like that when I cooked and cooked like that. Different story. Background on me, I enjoy cooking. I'm just not very good at it and I don't spend time to become better at it. So things like this are very helpful to me. I hop on their website. I'm hopping on. Let's get on their website and scroll over to our menu. I think that's key before signing up. Go through it and look at what they're serving. Do you like anything you're seeing? Is this appetizing? As you can see here, this is the menu for September 23rd. This menu does rotate. They have hundreds upon hundreds of recipes. Obviously, there's no dietary restrictions entered yet. We still can enter those. It says meals starting at $7.99. To be honest, the meals are really $9.95. Just throwing that out there. I think there's a few lunches that are $7.99, but far majority are $9.95. So keep that in mind because this salmon and bruschetta, I guarantee you, is $9.95. Everything takes between 30 and 45 minutes to cook. There's a few that go below and there's a few that go above. It also depends on your skills. Just gotta throw that out there. For me, looking at these, they look delicious. They're great. I'll be honest, also looking at these don't look like $10 meals, like the prosciutto and burrata flatbread. It's not very much food for a $10 meal. Also, a $10 meal that comes to my house that I still have to cook, serve, and clean. But, I want to throw out there, I actually made a list. I was like, if I sit down and think about when would I order this and when would it be beneficial, I decided Postpartum would have been huge to have this sitting, and I'm gonna unbox this in just a second so you can see what I'm talking about, for my husband to just cook. So if you're pregnant, maybe order so that your partner has a way to cook. If you're single and going through the grocery store, making a list and cooking, that's like too much work. If you're having a surgery, if your spouse is traveling, if you're just plain tired, moms, just saying. Date nights at home, you don't have babysitting fees, but you want something new and different. You just want to treat yourself. Yeah. Or busting out of a cooking rut. That's what this one's doing for me. Busting me out of the making spaghetti every night. So if you're back on the menu, hop over back with me. Go to how it works. Scroll down, you click get started. I'm not gonna go through that because literally you just fill out your dietary preferences. It's one page there. Your second page fills out your personal information, shipping, and credit card information. And then you go into picking your meals and it looks just like what I showed you on our menu. So nothing revolutionary there. They do have a blog on their website that is good. It has recipes, it has ingredients, it has tips and tricks. Check it out. I think it's called, I wrote it down, The Table. It's actually really cute and has like free good information on it. Just make sure you preview the menu before you order to make sure you like what you see. Can y'all see all this? It's a heavy box. Heavy box. On top, you have this guy. And it breaks down what's in your box, not the recipes, but like the rest of the stuff. Look at this, like my 3-year-old's opening this. Some days I wonder about me. It's got a coupon for Grove. I'll hook that up because y'all know I got coupons for Grove. More coupons, coupon sample. Okay. A bag or an envelope of goodies. My favorite part, recipe cards. These are super, super cool. For one, as you can see, they have punch holes already in them. You could start a binder of these recipes. So that's another reason why you wouldn't have to commit to subscribing to Plated, or not Plated, I knew that was gonna happen. That's another reason why you don't have to subscribe and plan to be with homechef for forever. They give you these recipe cards. It has the ingredients and pictures and instructions. It's beautiful. I have not tried any of these, but I selected the chicken with tiger sauce, chicken with marsala tomato relish, and the sirloin steak with balsamic onion jam. It talks about prep cook time, how quickly you need to cook it, how difficult it is, and if it's spicy. All that's already online, so it shouldn't be a shock to you when you receive it. So there you go. Inside, you will flip over this flap, and you have this. These are amazing. These ice packs, we saved these ice packs, and we use them. Let me turn this so that's not sticking in the way. In our ice chest, we use them for picnics, we use them in lunches, we reuse those like crazy. So you have your ice packs, your quality freshness shield, and it's really, really, really nice. So these bags are 1 meal each. They are labeled, so like this one says, a sirloin steak. So this is what I'm talking about. It's really good for like postpartum. Your significant other would just come grab this, match the card, and start cooking, following the very intricate step-by-step instructions. By the way, they sell cookware on their website, and I was totally down a rabbit hole of going through all the cookware. So if you need cookware, you could add it onto your box. That's a whole other thing. So here are these 3 guys. Then you have another shield and more ice. You'll not have to buy reusable ice for forever. And separate at the bottom is your meats that come in your meal. And they are all obviously individually wrapped. What are some notes I wrote down? Oh, they are getting ready to release oven-ready meals. So you won't even have to cook it, you just pop it to the oven. I think they have, each week they have 1 oven-ready meal that you can select from. They're gonna have more. You can pre-plan meals up to 5 weeks. So you could literally, I go back to postpartum because I'm a mom, that's the way I think. But I could have like, had I known about this 8 years ago when I had Emma, I don't even know if they were around. I could have had 5 weeks worth of meals done without having to burden my friends to set up a meal chain and yada, yada, yada. Pretty brilliant. Oh, you do earn credit when you refer your friends. So if you try this and you're like, I love this, and you tell your girlfriend, make sure they sign up under you, because not only do you get a credit to buy more meals, they get credit to start off with. And of course, if you sign up today, sign up below with me, because then I get credit and I'm able to keep unboxing these for you guys. And since you're already down there, go ahead and comment something nice so my day is good, and give the video a like or a thumbs up. What are they calling it nowadays? Maybe comment with what they're calling it. If you buy, okay, tips and tricks. The meals are $9.95 each. It is free shipping with $40 or more. I had this inputted for 2 people. So I got 3 meals for 2 people. So I met my my $40 minimum. If you don't, you pay $10 in shipping. Well, that's a free meal. So just get the free meal. Don't pay $10 in shipping. Students, do you have students? Students, if you are signed up with Student Means, you can log in and get discounted meals to be sent to you at your dorm. Brilliant, huh? Smart. And if you go down to their FAQs, it has a lot of good questions, but if you go to their recipe categories, you can really dig through the dietary restrictions, like what you can and can't eat. I feel like I'm spitfiring information to you, but you guys, if you really can understand and realize how much they do, this is like hiring an employee. You're like adding somebody to your team. So I'm not a chef, but I'm gonna cook one of these and I'm gonna let you follow along, but don't make too much fun of me. Like, my knife skills are crazy. Okay, let's go. These are the meats that came in there. I'm not gonna go through every bag, but I wanted to show you these. This is the beef sirloin steak and what it looks like. Once again, not a foodie, so it looks great to me. It looks awesome. This is diced chicken breast. This is actually gonna go with this recipe. I am gonna break this out, show it to you. And then chicken breast fillets, which goes with the other. So what another just perk, these are already pounded out, the right size and thin, defrosted and all the good stuff. They do a lot of the work for you. So there are the meats. And then for this guy here, I have the chicken with tiger sauce and snap peas. They provide everything but your pots and pans and then your basics. Like, I'm responsible for oil, salt and pepper. I don't know where my other pumpkin is. It's somewhere. So we'll just have that little ghetto set up for now. Here I've got miso paste, the exact amount I need, 2 teaspoons. Campbell's tomato juice. My snap peas. Honey. I didn't know what that was at first. Asian garlic, ginger, and chili rub. Pre-cooked jasmine rice, 8 ounces. Oh, chili paste. I was like, I don't know. And last but not least, 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger. There you go. That's everything I need to make this guy. I grab this recipe card and I need to grab a pan and just start following the recipe. So I made the chicken marsala with tomato relish and it was so good. It was so easy to cook. I cooked it faster than I thought I was going to, and it made more food than I thought it was gonna make. It was just so good. But now cooking the chicken with tiger sauce, there's been a couple of errors. Like they got their pans mixed up. All of this is supposed to be in this pan, which wouldn't have worked. They should have told me to swap my pan, so I've had to do a little flip and flopping. I did find a long black piece of hair in my beans. So I took my beans and washed them and had to do a little extra prep that I wouldn't have normally done because that grossed me out. But otherwise, this has been good. We haven't tasted it yet, obviously, but it looks good. Smells so good. It's been easy, even with a couple of typos and pan mix-ups. With not having to go chase these spices around and them already being pre-measured. It's pretty nice. There we go. Not too bad. I wish I had the fancy bowl, but you know, a clean plate in this time of my life is really an accomplishment. I haven't tried it, so we're gonna dive in. But I can tell you the recipe I made yesterday, which was this guy, the chicken with marsala and tomato relish, was so good. Both my husband and I absolutely loved it. So I have high hopes for this one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I believe I have a pretty good coupon code for homechef, so go below, check it out, snag that coupon code, and give this a try. Share it with your friends, because when you refer friends, you earn referral credit to get more free food. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you liked me, or if you're just feeling generous, because we super appreciate it. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.